Shamar, welcome back to my channel. So today we are staying at the Ocean Coral Spring Resort in Trelawney, Jamaica. It's a newer hotel. Newer resort, I'm sorry. They just opened up right after COVID. Well, not after COVID because COVID is still here. But we just checked in.
They got a new bitch out there besides COVID. What's her name?
The Delta variant.
Delta, that's her name.
So we're about to give you guys a quick room tour before we change out and go down to the pool. I'm gonna have baby do the honors today.
Oh, it's y'all again. What's good, man? So what's up? We at the Ocean Coral Springs in hometown Jamaica. We're gonna start off in the front. I ain't even checking here yet, but we shall check together. This is a nice. We gonna need this, boy. This is a nice steam iron. We gonna need it. But you got your closet right here with your drawers. I don't think anybody uses drawers when they come to the hotel. If you do, you're probably weird, OCD person, but who knows. Over here, under here, we have our safe. They probably don't even know we got this in here, but we got your water. You know what I'm saying? Gonna need that. Over here, we have another closet, his and hers, I guess. His and hers with the drawers on the inside of it again. What I love most in this bed though is this big ass mirror. Like, I'm 6'3", bitch, shawty. I'm 6'3". And this bitch big, like everything from head to toe. You feel me? Get your whole fit, catch it, you know what I'm saying? Catch your swag before you head out the door. Take y'all up in here. Come on. You got the double sinks, like I mentioned before, his and hers. Got a nice ass jacuzzi. Hold on, let me get in here.
Please don't break it because I'm stuck.
Oh yeah. I'm probably in here backwards, huh, baby?
I don't know.
Head supposed to be down there.
Probably.
Oh, let me spin around for you. Yeah, definitely. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that's good. It can definitely fit 2 people.
It cannot.
Then it can fit 2 people. I'm not your average size Joe. Alright, I'm 6'3". But this shit is nice. I'm not even. Alright. Definitely gonna have some bathroom activities. Alright, behind y'all, we have your separated bathroom. Want to take a look? Have your separated bathroom with your toilet so the smell don't be reeking up the place. Damn. And then right on the other side of it, we have your shower, which is the waterfall. I forget what they call that.
Overhead shower.
The overhead shower, which is really nice, I think. Okay, another bathroom. Y'all can see, catch a look, catch a vibe, catch a vibe, catch a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Then over here, I like these closet looking things, man. Take that into consideration in our house. Alright, y'all probably wondering why we got a double bed. We don't have any kids. We don't have anyone staying in the room with us. We're not staying in separate beds. That's not what we do. But, you feel me? We got 2 beds because we change positions like every night.
2 hours.
I just playing. Now we got 2 beds because it was an error at check-in. So, we don't know if we're going to go down and change it or whatnot.
Because our family rooms are like really close. So if we change it, it's probably going to mess that up. But anyways, 2 beds. I really love this, that they have the Jamaican map on here. I think that is a really nice touch. Can't read what it says, but it look nice. Yeah. They got a little fan.
Right, so here's a TV, standard smart TV. What's under here? Some more drawers. I don't know if you brought your books, maybe a Bible or whatever people bring and put in drawers at hotel. Comment below what you put at your hotel inside the drawers. Over here, we got a nice comfy couch. A little on the stiff side, but still nice and comfy. I believe this is a pull-out bed, right?
Yes.
Pull-out bed over here. If you have an extra person, have 3
I love
beds.
this mirror.
Oh, yeah,
very nice.
This is nice. We can't fit that in the car though, but
Nice. They also have a little desk over here.
yeah.
With more artwork.
Some studying.
The blue is not my taste, but they got this blue everywhere.
As you can see, there's
So
some
where's-
white on the blue. White on the blue.
Get your
Alright, my favorite part of the hotel, and this is what I paid my dirty money for. My favorite part of the hotel, what I paid my little stinking money for, was the balcony. You feel me? We have a nice balcony. No, it's not ocean view, but we got
dirty water view.
partially ocean, partially dirty water, and partially kids just running around crazy.
This is one of the pools back here. They have a big pool out there, and then they have the water slide as well. But I love this greenery. And then you have the ocean, like he says. And then I don't know what's going on over here, but they need to get that together.
They need to do something about that.
Some hammocks down there. I think this is a bar. But yeah, we have everybody waiting for us, so
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but I'm at Ocean Coral Springs, Jamaica. Y'all tap in, catch your boy. Juan to your yard, man.
thank you guys so much for tuning into our room tour. Check out all our other videos on the channel. Check out Jamaica Uncut. Then you're going to see us vlogging here. And also our other vacation vlogs. We've been to Mexico, the Bahamas. So check them out. And yeah, comment down below. What do you look for when you're booking a hotel? Because for me, it's definitely decor. It has to be a vibe so I can get my pictures. But I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.